Hello guys, what is up? This is Mahima and welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to be traveling to Goa from the 31st to the 4th of Feb and I need to get packing. Let's start with makeup. I'm going to only pack the essentials, like what I'm going to need most probably, whatever fits my pouch. I am currently sitting on my dressing table. Let's start with my first drawer. This is my palette drawer and इसमें सारी powders and stuff होंगे. I think I'm gonna take these two because they have pretty much all the colors that I would possibly need. It has browns, it has golden, copper. Okay, this one's very pretty. This one's also very pretty. This gives a pinkish tone. So I have colors to deepen my eyes. I have them for a morning and an evening look. So I'm gonna pick these. And they're very small, compact from Huda. This is Love Fest and this is Brown Obsession. This is in caramel. Should I take my iconic one? This is like super creamy, but I think Huda has pretty much the same ones. So sorry honey, not your trip. A bronzer and a blush. This is like my newest addition and this is so cute. I love the packaging also. And this is for bronzing in case I need it. I would like to take a powder puff also. For my finishing powder, I'm gonna take this one from Dude Cosmetics. This is smaller than the rest of them. In case I need any glitter, I'm gonna take this one from Pixie by Petra. And I think this rules. On to the next drawer. And we are gonna start picking out some. I have a liquid highlighter and this is, I need to use it. I've been waiting. So this is my favorite staple concealer from K Beauty. My another staple concealer from Too Faced. Let's go in for a primer. I think this one would be the best, but in case since this is very moisturizing, I will take one extra. I will let it be the Color Bar one because this is silicone based and this is very good for like combination oily skin type. This actually helps you with your acne. Moving forward, we have to talk about blush. I have so many choices and I really like the Rare Beauty one also. I think I'm gonna take these two blushes. And I have this something that we can actually use in Goa. It's a glitter bomb from Lamel and I have this in two colors. There are two colors in it best and that was like a silver blue tone and this is a golden one. These are so good, you can use it everywhere. For my setting spray, I'm gonna pick out my NYX, my MAC Fix Plus also, the mini bottle compact. So this is done. Next, finally reached to the section that has mascaras, that has bullet lipsticks, extra eye things and a lot of liquid lipsticks. But one I'm gonna pick is this lip plumper because damn, you need it. It's super good. This is going. We need a waterproof mascara. Let me see which one is it. So this one from Maybelline. This is the Falsies Lash Lift. This is a waterproof one. And my favorite one's also waterproof. I didn't realize this is also by Maybelline. I think Maybelline has the best mascaras on the market and they're super affordable, travel friendly, and all of them have like a different brush, like you know, the wand. Just in case, I'm going to keep my favorite one from Too Faced also, Better Than Sex mascara, in case I'm going out some gala. We do have a gala night planned, so I should rather take only two mascaras. I will take this one because lengthening volume and this one is waterproof. I'm going to keep this because I think it's a little lumpy. When we compare these two, I have a better finish of my eyelashes with this one, the yellow one, and this one is actually very heavy on the eyelid और मतलब ऐसे clumpy हो जाता है. Your eyelashes start sticking together. These two. Let's take an eyeliner just in case. I've picked out all my lipsticks. These three are like my staple to go everywhere. The love I have for Too Faced is just undeniable. I have three of my favorite shades. I mix them, I match them, but they're super matte, so you need to be quick either or don't use it. But they have such a long staying power. They will stay on your lips for like 9+ hours. No lie. That's actually the reason I ever went for Too Faced. I was in the United States and I found this lipstick and it was just so eye-catching for me, like the color. This is so my vibe. So मैंने वहाँ से purchase किया. I brought it and it is well over expired. It's been 5 years that I've been there. 5-6 years that I've been to the States, and yeah, it's pretty much expired. But I don't usually use this color anymore, rather, but it's not smelling, nothing like that, so I'm still gonna use it. Because of my good experience with this one, I went for a red one because red is the color that usually bleeds. There is a hesitation to wear red color because वो इधर उधर हो जाता है. But this one has a good staying power, so this worked for me. And then I went for my... This is now my signature lipstick. I pair this with a red lip liner and that's it. It gives like an ombre effect naturally. And the staying power. This was the first time I actually bought it. It was 1600 and when we look at it today, I think it's 2100 a lipstick. Very expensive, sure, but it works for so long. Even though ये मुझे मतलब I know it is expired, but it's still working good. It has no reaction on my skin. I do my skincare before, I do my lip care before applying a lipstick, so we're not facing any issues like that. So I think I am definitely gonna continue with these lipsticks. Then I have two more lipsticks just in case. These are from Huda Beauty. One is this one's Trophy Wife and this one's Bombshell. I really think the word bombshell has it. जो Victoria's Secret का है. I usually buy the mini ones so that they're easier to travel with, and because I like to keep perfume with me. I don't like to keep it at home like that and just like wear it once and move out. So anyway, Bombshell word has something. It's always going to be sexy. It's always going to be sexy. Since this is a beach vacation, I'm gonna take a tint. This is also a new buy from K Beauty and I really like it. This works wonderful, no lie. The plumper worked. Let's move to brushes and applicators. I don't usually go with sponges anymore, so I'm just gonna switch to a brush. Like I just need one eyeshadow brush like this and then I can apply the glitter with my finger. Highlighter, very much must. Concealer, this works so well. The blush brush and the powder brush. I think that is enough. For my eyebrows, I'm going to take this eyebrow pencil from Root Cosmetics. It has a spoolie on one end and it has a product on the one end, so this is very travel friendly. When I talk about lip liners, I'm going to pick one in red. The red and the deeper brown. This is from Root Cosmetics. This is also so travel friendly. I mean, the pencils are so sleek and the pigmentation so good. I think I picked out everything, so let's get to pouching them. So this is all the makeup I'm going to be taking and I'm going to pouch it up. I have an extra refill for my moisturizer because you need it. I can't miss out on this. This is where I keep my brushes. A direct sunlight. Wow, hi. You won't believe it. I found my vanity box. Yeah, it's like old, but we can work with it. This was a gift from my Masi who's in Canada and it's pretty dirty, but I think we gotta make use of it. We can make use of it. I don't think there's a lot of products, and you know what? The best thing, mirror to hai hi, but you can extend it to a holding vanity. So मैंने क्या किया, मैंने इनके बटन्स खोल दिए हैं और एक एक ऊपर कर दिया है. Zipping it up, you can hold it. आप इसको होल्ड करके लेकर जा सकते हैं अपने हैंड बैग में. We put the eyeshadows any any other powder products that might need any space, excess space. We're just gonna find it. Setting spray is gonna go in. We can make this one stand. My lipsticks, concealer. I'm gonna leave the brushes and stuff. This also. I'm gonna take this, my primer. Okay. Extra lippy. I think no, I actually don't want. I think I will. Eyeliner, my mascara, my lip plumper, my blush, and my concealer, my primer too. In here, I think this is pretty comfortable for all of this, and I can even include my extra perfume. Let's start by stacking my pencils. Leaving my highlighter brush, everything is coming here, so you just put it there, and not to forget my eyelash curler. My bag's ready. I'll see you next time. Bye.